Hi there, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. So, the Limpopo musician Oshebeshet appeared at the Polokwane Magistrate Court today, faced in 3 counts of attempted murder, and there's another case waiting for him in a different court, which is linked to an October shooting. You guys, it seems like Oshebeshet is in a lot of trouble, you guys, as there's currently like multiple court cases, not just two. More than that, you guys, now police says the charges comes from a road rage incident last month where shots were allegedly fired at another car, leaving one man badly injured. The 30-year-old artist was arrested in an intelligent operation in Bendo, and his cars have reportedly been taken for forensic tests. Oshebeshet made headlines, you guys. He has made headlines before for violent behavior, including 2023 assault arrest and a viral video where he was seen with a huge blade. You guys, now his case has been postponed to next week Friday, and he'll stay in custody while the state works to join two cases together. You guys, now people are currently worried, especially those promoters which paid him, because he is fully booked for the month of November and December, you guys, and unfortunately he will be spending a week in prison, and we shall see what happens next week when he appears in court. What do you think? Please engage your thoughts with me in the comment section down below. Also like this video, and of course do share it. I'll definitely and surely be seeing you in the next video. Bye.